my association with him is because I started my first haircut, actual haircut, with a different kind of haircut, which the upmarket haircut was done by his father. And I've been a great admirer of his father, and there are times when, when you feel the son is gone beyond his father. I'm sure his father must be up there remembering him and must be so proud of him. And we all are proud of him. And the kind of achievements, and more than anything else, besides being a great hairstylist, and he is a fabulous human being, and he's a real good friend.
सबसे पहले इनकी खासियत ये मेरे दोस्त हैं, लेकिन उससे बड़ी इनकी खासियत है, मुझे लगता है कि ये बहुत कमाल का काम करते हैं और इसी वजह से आज ये इन्होंने अपना इतना नाम कर लिया है। एंड मेरे बेस्ट विशेस इनके साथ हैं और सबसे पहले इन्होंने ही मेरे बाल मेरा हेयर स्टाइल चेंज किया।
Friend of mine since a very, very long time. Literally grown up together. It gives me immense pleasure to know that he's doing such a wonderful job out here. He's made such a hip salon. I think it's a completely new kind of way of looking at going to a salon and getting a haircut. He's made it very trendy, very cool, very urban, very new generation, 21st century. And all I want to say is his father's going to be very proud of him. And
my father did his first haircut.
Yeah, okay. My father, when I was born, his father came and did my mundan. So I can tell you that it's a long history, and I'm so happy.
I think as a human being, the kind of goodwill that he carries, the kind of respect, the kind of love that he carries, I rarely see someone with that kind of goodwill. There's so many actors, one stylist, nobody has a problem with him. It's generally egos that clash, that oh, he's styling someone else, he won't style me. Like Alim is someone who people love, so they just go with him. And a very, very smart boy, a very honest boy, and someone I absolutely adore.
I've seen him go from, starting, he had a small salon, 7 bungalows, and then he went to Bandra, and now he's got this place here. And now I remember I was shooting in Dubai the other day, and I didn't know where to get a haircut, and he said, I have a place about 20 minutes from where you are. And I just felt so happy to know that, somebody who we stayed in the same area, and we started out at almost around the same time. He's doing so well, and it's totally deserved. He's fantastic at what he does. And I think more than that, he's a wonderful person. And I think that's why he has so many people, you must have seen so many people come in today, because I think he's developed those relationships over the years.
उनके बाप ने मेरे बाल काटे थे जब मैं छोटा था, तो आई थिंक जो आलिम ने किया है वो जो हम लोग अमेरिका में देखते थे वो आलिम ने यहाँ करके दिखाया है।
To watch more, log on to www.erosentertainment.com.